If you're an empath who is coming out of a narcissistic relationship and you've been gaslighted to all freaking hell, maybe you're new to this kind of stuff and you're second guessing yourself, not trusting what your intuition is telling you, or maybe you're someone who just wants to learn a little bit more about building your intuition and then getting even more intuitive messages, or maybe you're even someone who's stuck in, is it my intuition or is it my own brain thinking, right? Am I making this stuff up? Am I really accurate? I'm going to give you 3 basic things that you can do to put into practice to help you build confidence in your intuition and strengthen that muscle so you'll then receive even more guidance. So if that sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. We'll just consider that one high five from one empath to another. Make sure you hang out to the end of the video because I have a freebie for you that will really skyrocket and enhance your natural intuitive and psychic gifts. So if you're brand spanking new here and you have no idea who I am, give me a quick second, let me introduce myself. My name is Judi Jamieson and I'm a psychic. I teach intuition and psychic development to empaths who are going through some kind of spiritual awakening, life transition, or trying to heal from toxic and manipulative people. By learning how to work with your spirit guides, you have on the other side a family that is full of freaking knowledge, insight, and guidance that leads you to all roads of healing and abundance and living an amazing freaking life. So if you would like to learn more about what your natural gifts are, how to develop them, how to connect with spirit, I am your new virtual best friend, and you're going to want to hit the subscribe button. It's right underneath this video. Make sure you hit that little bell too. This way you get a notification when a new video comes out. And if you're not already a subscriber, I'm going to give you a second to do that right now. All right, so let's get this party started. How do you know if your intuition is right or wrong? The first thing that you want to do is release the need for validation that you are right. Forget about the ego when that other indecisive voice comes in your head and starts second guessing things. What if I'm wrong? What if this doesn't work out? Forget it, okay? A lot of times we need, or we're looking for, I'm getting an intuitive message, but I need some kind of extra enhancement to show me that I'm right. What happens most of the time when you don't listen to your intuition? You get an extra BS crappy situation that smacks you upside the freaking head and you're like, damn, I freaking knew it. So stop looking for the need for validation. Forget the self-judgment with yourself, okay? So when you're new to this kind of stuff, don't worry about if you're right or you're wrong. Kind of like think of yourself like the weatherman, right? This person gets paid big freaking bucks to tell the weather and half the time they're freaking wrong. Practice your interpretation skills. So what you want to do is uncover what's going on in the subconscious, the things that you are not consciously aware of, meaning if you're in your head. Understand that working with your intuition does take a little bit of time. It's like a muscle, okay? The first time you go to the gym and beat your body into the ground, you're not going to go home and drop 10 pounds and have a phenomenal body. It doesn't work that way. Your intuition is like a muscle. You have to practice using it. It's a skill that you learn. It's also, think of it like a lifestyle with building your confidence. Use it baby steps for little things. When you get an impression, instead of asking, is this right or is this wrong, say what you think or feel it might be or what it might mean. Play a little bit of a detective. Brainstorm, all right? You want to bring some things to fruition as to what this intuitive message might be. It could be a lot of different options. When you're new to this stuff, you're not always going to know. Play with the options, play with the things that you brainstorm that what it might mean. Look at it as a possible potential, not a stone cold fact. It's a possibility. Explore the different possibilities. Allow things to come up as to what those possibilities might be. Then what you want to do is get in your logical brain and pick 1 or 2 of what those brainstorming possibilities might be or what they might mean. And then take action if necessary. And just see what happens. See how it unfolds. Think of it like a freaking game, right? If that sounded easy enough for you, if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. All right, so remember I told you I got some freebie for you? I'm going to tell you about that in 1 second. The whole reason why I do these videos is to make them interactive, relationship building. The only way that's going to happen is if you comment below. So I got a question for you. If you're someone who has been working with and you feel you have fine-tuned your intuition, share with me and anybody else who would be watching or reading the comments what it is that you do or how you helped build your confidence with your intuition. Share your knowledge. The other thing too is if there's something that you are struggling with trusting your intuition, comment below what it is that you're struggling with so I can make a video to help you specifically out, because I guarantee you somebody somewhere else has the same exact question or pain point as you. All right, so remember in the beginning I told you I had a freebie for you? Underneath this video, there's a link to 30 different ways you can develop your natural intuitive and psychic gifts. 30's a lot. Now, you don't have to do all 30. The whole reason why I gave you such a long list is so you can pick and choose what feels right and what vibes to you, or what you feel called to, or what even feels easy enough. There's 1,000 different things that you can do to develop your gifts. So if that's something that's interesting to you, again, the link will be below. So that's what I have for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor, share it out to anybody else who is really going through some kind of trial or tribulation and they're really struggling with trusting themselves again. Hopefully you're going to comment and talk to me. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button, so I will see you again real soon. All right, you go have a wonderful, phenomenal, high vibrational, kick freaking ass day. And hopefully I'll see you real soon right here on this channel. Go have a good one. If you're someone who has, by working with your spirit guides,